Unraveling Bough Down, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might cause a bit of confusion due to its wording and imagery. Bow down. This phrase isn't one you'll find in your standard textbook, so I'm excited to explore its meaning and use with you. If you're ready to expand your English expression toolkit, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, bow down, is not a standard phrase in English, and it appears to be a mix-up of bow down and bough, which is a branch of a tree. The confusion might come from the fact that the word bow is pronounced as bow, similar to bow, which can mean to bend forward. However, bow down is the correct expression when referring to the action of bending in respect as a gesture of submission or reverence. Meanwhile, a bough refers to a large branch from a tree. Boughs are typically associated with strength and the sheltering aspect of trees. There's a poetic play on words where someone might bow down under the weight of snow or fruit, which is a literary way to describe the branch itself bending or breaking. But as for a standard phrase used in everyday conversation or writing, bow down would be what you're looking for. Now that we understand bow down is a mistaken use, let's focus on bow down. This phrase is used both literally and figuratively. Literally, it means to lower one's body as a sign of respect or worship. Figuratively, it implies showing great respect or deference to someone or something. Literal use, the subjects would bow down as the king passed. Figurative use, you do not have to bow down to peer pressure. Remember, using bow down in your conversations or writing can be a powerful way to describe an act of submission or admiration. Let's not forget the bow, though it's not correct in the bow down phrase. It's a word rich in imagery and symbolism in English literature. Bows are often used to symbolize nature's abundance and strength. For example, you might read a sentence like, "The apple-laden boughs bent low, offering their fruit to passers-by." It paints a picture of a tree heavy with fruit, its branches hanging down. This use of bow is perfect for creating a vivid image in the mind of your audience. Thanks for joining me today as we untangled the confusion between bow down and bow down. Remember, phrases in English can sometimes be tricky, but getting to know their meanings and uses enhances your command of the language. I hope this video has cleared up any misunderstandings and enriched your understanding of English expressions. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!